A very good morning, students. As you know that from the book Snapshot, I have taken the first chapter. That is, let me show you chapter title. That is the summer of the beautiful white horse. Okay, so already I had introduced this chapter and about writer William Sorrow, and I told you that how a poor boy means two cousins, they take ride of a white horse and how did they enjoy. Okay, so and I had asked you, I think, to form question out of the explained paragraph. I hope you all would have written the questions in your notebook. So today let me start from this line. So I just read this for you. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake, but this was more than even I could believe. So, this I word refers to the narrator himself. Okay, narrator narrates the story and he is describing here his cousin's nature, his behavior, and his like thinking, that what he thinks about life. He wants to enjoy the life and he doesn't want to live like other poor children. He had discovered his happiness, his pleasure in so many things which has no cost, okay, and which were not very costly. So this time both of them, they had dreamt of this white horse, and this lucky day had come in their life when one of them had brought this white horse. So he says that my cousin Murad, he enjoyed being alive. Means he was alive. That is the most important thing. If you are alive, you can do anything. You can enjoy your life. If we just look at those people who have lost their eyesight, they cannot see this beautiful world. They cannot see this beautiful the beautiful sceneries and the beauty of each and everything around us. They cannot see because they have lost their eyes. There are many people, those who have lost their legs in accidents, and they cannot walk by themselves. They depend fully on others, or they are made sit on wheelchairs. So these were some of the things which Murad, or which this another boy, he thinks, Aram, he thinks about life, that how we are lucky, how much we are lucky, we means both the brothers, that they are alive, and this sense of being alive was really gives them so much pleasure. So they were enjoying each moment of this life. In the first place, my earliest memories had been memorized of horses, and my first belongings had been longings to ride. This was the wonderful part. So this boy, in the first place, first of all, he thinks that they used to dream of like this, means they will be having a horse and they will take a ride. They used to think about it, and this was the day when everything looked so true to them, and that dream had come true to them, that his brother, his cousin, had brought a very beautiful white horse. This was the wonderful part of their life. In the second place, we were poor, but they were poor. That was a bitter truth of their life. This was the part that wouldn't Permit me to believe what I saw. First of all, at first, when he looked at the horse, he just memorized that time when both of them they used to dream of such a beautiful horse. But second part, when they look at themselves, he realizes that they are very poor and they cannot use such beautiful and expensive horse. Every branch of the Garulian family. Garulian family means this was a type of tribe, and this family belonged to this tribe and was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. Means these people are very poor, but then also they enjoy their life. Out of this means they are very poor, but then also they look very happy, and they feel proud that they are honest also. Being poor, they do not ask means they do not ask anything from anyone that we are poor. Okay, so nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep us with food in our bellies. Bellies means stomachs. Not even the old man of the family, most had been famous for our honesty for something like 11 centuries. So, this tribe, especially Aram's family, Mora's family, was well known, was very famous among the people, and they know it very well that this family cannot do anything wrong, and they cannot be means the children or any of the family members cannot be found in any dishonest or any this kind of act that they will steal anything or they will take advantage of anyone's weakness. So here it is shown that they are so much poor that anybody means here narrator he wants to describe each and every part of this story. When he sees first time that Murad has brought a beautiful horse, first of all he becomes very happy. It was the happiest moment of his life that his dream was going to come true, and he was going to take ride on this beautiful white horse. But suddenly he came to know, he came back to ground, and he thinks about the reality that they belong to a very poor family and hardly they can meet out their expenses, and it is very difficult for them to have three times meal. Then, if we will be seen on this beautiful horse, anybody can put question mark on our honesty. So these some of the questions going on in his mind. We were famous for our honesty. We had been famous for our honesty for something like 11 centuries. Even what? We had been the wealthiest family in what we liked to think was the world. We were proud first, honest next, and after that we believe in right and wrong. None of us, none of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. So these some of the things were disturbing is calm, is peace of mind. He was continuously thinking over these points that when people will come to know and when they will see us on this expensive horse, it will take no minute to think about us. They will think that we have become dishonest. So this explanation, this was the narrator's description about their family and about his brother Murad. Okay. On next turn, we'll take next paragraph, and like always, out of this paragraph also you have to form at least 6 questions. Okay, on next turn I'll take next paragraph. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.